morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Danny's Detours, where we talk about anything and everything life related. Consciousness is our campus. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And I'm out and about today with my son Connor. Say hello, mate.
Hi.
That's my lad Connor, and my two favourite compadres in the whole wide world, Paddy and Willow. Yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's absolutely fantastic to have you all back. I didn't have my GoPro out for the last few episodes, guys, because I don't know, I was sort of like, I've had that much to do as of lately that, you know, my mind's been elsewhere, do you know what I mean? But yeah, welcome back to everyone. Welcome to all the new subscribers. 189 now, guys, which is absolutely fantastic. You know, if you haven't liked, commented or subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so, and to everyone that has done, thank you so much. But yeah, we're just starting about. I just want to talk about what's been going on the past couple of days, and basically, guys, I don't know if anyone has noticed, but I've got a TikTok link. Well, it's my Danny Detours 84, and I did a video the other day about stinging nettle, and it went absolutely crazy, guys. If anything, what I'll do, I'll put a link to the video in my description and my TikTok channel, and then basically you can just go and check it out. But honestly, guys, right, I couldn't believe it. It's had over 130,000 views on it. It's gone absolutely ballistic. It's had something stupid like nearly 4,000 likes. God knows how many, well, no, I think it's even more than that, and ridiculous amounts of comments. So thank you to everyone. You know, thank you to the TikTok algorithm. But yeah, we're just out in an orchard today, guys. We might just having a bit of a mooch round. But yeah, just like you say, just to everyone, thank you so much. You know what I mean? And yeah, the video, basically what I did, it was regarding stinging nettle, and I was just basically just explaining to everyone and telling people like the benefits of stinging nettle. You know, like how much it's got more nutritional value in it than it's basically a superfood. But obviously the government, you know, they lie to us about a lot of things. Well, they lie to us about pretty much everything, guys, in case you ain't cottoning on to that. But they basically said it's a weed, you know, and made it out to be something that's not beneficial to us. But let me tell you this, guys, right? You know them little seeds that you get, and obviously there's how you can distinguish whether one is a female or a male, and the female ones are more powerful, a hell of a lot more powerful. But oh, Connor's here. He's having a wander around. You looking at them apples?
Yes.
You see some?
Yes.
Yeah, we can grab some, can't we? We'll be able to grab a few, and I don't know if the eaters are ready yet, mate, but I think some of the bakers might be ready.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll grab some and we'll take some home. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. Connor's eyeing the apples up. He knows what's good for him. But yeah, how you can distinguish whether it's a female or a male, how you notice if it's a female, the seeds will be like drooping down, whereas if you've got a male, they kind of like spike out. But obviously you get benefits from both plants. He's looking at these apples. You get benefits from both plants, but is it good, that? It's not a baker's one, that, is it? Is it? It might be a baker's one, that, Connor, or is it an eater's?
No,
I don't think you should eat.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't, yeah, just, I'll get, yeah. We'll just, I think that one might be a bit, it might be an eater's one, I'm not too saying that. I think, what does it taste like? But you do know you get bellyache when you eat them. Is it alright? Is it bitter? Is it bitter?
Yeah, bitter.
Yeah, don't eat that one. Don't eat that one, mate. We'll grab some in a bit. I think these are There might be the eaters there, but I don't think they're quite ready. Oh no, sorry, they're the eaters over there in the middle. But yeah, you're not having this, Paddy. Look at him, he's after it. You'll have shits for a month, lad. But yeah, so basically, I did a video. Yeah, so just the stinging nettle, like, I've been getting it, rounding it up, got some at home in my fridge, and I've been putting it in tea. You know, I've been using it with cayenne pepper, lemon juice, you know, all that stuff, all the good stuff. And the seeds, believe it or not, guys, they are very good for your kidneys. I was talking to a guy, he messaged me from Latvia on TikTok, and he was telling me, saying that basically what happens when you eat the seeds from nettles, they rebuild your kidneys. How crazy is that, guys? They rebuild your, basically anyone with kidney disease or anyone out there, you know, that's got any type of inflammation or it like that, get the seeds from stinging nettles, preferably the female ones, and you will massively benefit from it. But yeah, Connor's having a look at the apples over here. We'll go and have a gander, guys. Just give us 1 minute. We'll go and have a look. I don't think they're quite ready yet, you know, Connor.
Yeah.
You might saying that. They might be. There's got a fly on it. That's an eater's one. Try. I've had bloody. Have a go on that one, see what that's like. Tell me if that tastes in it. They will be a bit bitter anyway because they're organic. What's that like? Bitter? Yeah? You don't have to eat it if you don't want. We'll all eat them anyway. They're not, I don't think they're quite ready yet. They'll be ready, the bakers will be ready, but the eaters aren't ready just yet. Because obviously apples take time, don't they?
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, don't eat any more, Con. You know, I don't want you getting bellyache. But yeah, we're just out in the orchard today, guys. We're just keeping an eye on stuff, you know, having a look round. And not only that, you want to see all the blackberries that are out at the moment, guys. There's people paying £3.50 a punnet for a punnet of bloody blackberries. When you can just get yourself out in nature. There's bushes that go on for miles. Get yourself out, pick some, and you know, it's free vitamin C, because half of that crap that they give you at supermarkets, it's all GMO. And it's got chemicals on it anyway.
Yeah, it's all brownish.
It's all brown, isn't it? Yeah, it is, mate. You're right. It is. It's all crap, isn't it?
Yeah, all crap.
Well, Con says it's crap, so it's crap. I tell you what, that sun's coming out now, though. But yeah, I think we're going to leave it at that, guys. We'll keep it short and sweet, because we've got a few bits and bats to do today. But to everyone who has liked, commented and subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way the channel's going. And also, we're going to start implementing doing something new on a Friday, so stay tuned. We're going to have something planned which is a little bit different, which I'm going to do every other Friday, or maybe every Friday. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, for me, Danny Detours, Connor, Paddy and Willow, hope you have a fantastic day. Love you loads. Peace.
Peace.